let's do it. .54 seconds ang tatlo. Ibang klase. Palapakan nyo naman. Wow! Maning-mani lang kay Super Speed Cuber Leo ang first challenge. Pero eto pa. Kaya niyang mag-solve ng tatlong Rubik's Cube, pero gamit lang ang isang kamay. Alright! Galing sa mga kapamilya natin to. Leo, this is very exciting. Here we go, here we go. First, second, third, one hand ang pag-aayos ni Leo dito. Timer, start. Wow! Incredible. Hindi pa tapos. Oh, wow! Ayun! Ayun naman, inunahan nyo. Pabuksan ko kaya yung lock ko sa bahay. 1 minute, 9.39. I'd have to give you a big round of applause. Saludong saludo.
Welcome to the Little Big Shots YouTube channel. This is where you'll find some of the most talented children in the world. There are new videos every week, plus bonus bits of Little Big Shots not seen anywhere else. Just click on the links right now, and why not subscribe? Go on.